Such a beautiful weather. Just kidding, it's just too hot. I think it's around 38 or 39 degrees. Very hot. I just came here to test my drone because there was something wrong with the footage of the drone. So I just came here to do the testing because there was something wrong with the software. So yeah, I'm just testing it right now.
Control point has takeoff.
Okay, so I am done with the testing. The drone is working absolutely fine, thank God, because the after sale service of DJI is absolutely horrible. So I have to buy an ND filter because the lens of the DJI Phantom 3 is exactly like GoPro, although GoPro has a 170 degrees angle on a super wide view, but this one has a 90-degree angle, so it's more towards, you know, the movie ratio, whatever you want to call it. Oh my god, it's too hot. Anyways, so the reason I'm doing all these things and all, testing my drone and all that, it's because I've started my planning for Ladakh. Yes, I've started my planning for Ladakh, and that is the reason you will not see me posting a hell lot of things. And please don't ask me what date, with whom, where. My mom has strictly told me not to tell anyone the date I'm leaving because 95% I'll be doing Ladakh solo. Mumbai to Ladakh. I'm getting this terrible headache. Today's video, what I'll do is I will take you to a place where I usually used to go whenever I used to be sad or I used to be lonely. Recently I started going over there whenever I want to make a special video about my bike. I'm sure you must have seen a couple of videos. I got so many messages about that place because you saw that place in Everyday's India video. So I thought, you know what, today I'll take you over there. Why not, right? I mean, it'll be a nice vlog.
Vlogging is always nice, right? I mean, it's the best way to get in touch with you, to communicate with you guys. And today is that day. It'll be like a filler video. Oh ho 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 ho. रोज़ा खोलने का टाइम है, 6 बज गया. I know most of you like my riding and traveling video, but I'm sure you like this video also. I mean, most of you really want me to make a vlog, and this is a vlog video. I mean, I'm from Mumbai. This is Pawai Hirandani, and if you'll ask any person in Mumbai that which is your favorite place, he or she might say Marine Drive, Juhu Beach, Carter Road, Worli Seaface. Even I like Worli Seaface, Marine Drive, and Juhu Beach, but there's a particular place which is in Pawai, which I love the most. I mean, when I was young, this was like kind of a go-kart around 7 to 8 years back. We used to do all this mountain climbing thingy over here. There used to be a restaurant over here, and nobody actually went ahead of this. I mean, very few. It doesn't look very steep, but to be very honest, this place is really very steep. So over there, that whole place behind that water, don't worry, I'll zoom it out for you. That place is New Bombay. And this is Pawai. I don't want to go there, but I'll just see. It's been a long time I've been here. Okay, when like we were very young, we used to play cricket over here. This place still exists, huh? Okay, so that's the helipad.
हाँ, of course, why not? So I just found a guy who was jogging over here. So I asked him about this place, whether, because I'm coming here after a very long time. Because usually, you know, when you are fully grown up, you don't get time and all that. I do come here to shoot a lot of things, you guys know. So he told me it's completely safe. There's a helipad over there, and usually on Sundays this is not really a good place to be because you'll see a lot of military trucks going over there. I remember that few years back there used to be a military camp over there. I don't know whether it still exists or no. Okay, it seems that I cannot shoot here for very long because these guys have told me that I have to leave because two-wheelers or any vehicle which doesn't have a permit is not allowed over here. So what I'll do, I'll just quickly leave from here because I don't want to get arrested. Bye bye. Okay, so I've just come down a bit. You can see all this Bhandup and Thane over there. I don't know how clearly you can see. Yeah, that one. But there's a nice place to click pictures over here. But I'll tell you something. It's not really legally allowed to come over here and shoot. So if you want to come over here, come at your own risk. And again, don't get your girlfriend over here, please. You know. Okay. Today was a really hot day, and that's why I'm having this ice cream, vanilla ice cream. Although I like chocolate ice cream, but then it's okay. So I took my drone also, but unfortunately I couldn't fly my drone over there because there was a helipad and there was two security guys over there. I asked them, can I fly my drone? They said, please don't do it, otherwise, they'll be in trouble and all that. So, I respected their thing and I didn't fly my drone over there. I know you guys are expecting me to fly a drone over there. Okay, here's the thing, guys. I'll be planning for Ladakh very soon. You can say somewhere next month. Now, please don't ask me the date because, see, this is how I convince my mom. The day I leave for Ladakh. That day I'm gonna just publish the picture that I've left for Ladakh and all that. And my first and my only stop, the major stop, will be Delhi. And then I'll be doing Mumbai, Delhi, Chandigarh, Jammu and Srinagar, then Ladakh. Okay, I'm convincing my mom. That is the reason you'll see I might not be doing more rides now. I mean, I'll be doing very short rides, but not a lot of rides because as you know, if you're following me from long time, you must have seen that before Hyderabad I was really busy with work and I was traveling here and there, and because of that I was like really experiencing hell lot of fatigue while while doing my Hyderabad ride. So just before Ladakh, I just want to relax. I just want to make small, short vlogs, simple vlogs, because I don't want to destroy my body before I do Ladakh, because Ladakh will eventually destroy my body, but in a good way. I hope you guys are excited for me to do Ladakh. Please don't mind if I don't make long riding videos. Till next month, I will be making videos, maybe here and there. And basically, I'm thinking of doing a Lavasa ride so that I can at least do some nice, meetup over there also. And the second thing is that Thane is, yeah, that's the plan, and Thane also very soon. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed my video, guys. And yeah, this is perfect. Thank you for watching my video, guys. And as always, shukran, alvida, ma salama, take care. And do whatever you want, my lovely friends. I hope I didn't bore you with today's vlog. Please don't mind. I was actually very tired because yesterday the whole day I was out, and then I was having this terrible headache. If you guys are following me on Snapchat, then you know. Oh, by the way, you can follow me on Snapchat. Just type Mumbai Ka Nikhil without any space. Mumbai Ka Nikhil. Just type it and you can add me over there. That's about it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Shukran, alvida, ma salama, take care, and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. Bye bye. Oh, bye bye.